Welcome back, fellow maidens. It is I, the Dark Fair Maiden, and today I'm going to be showing you how to recreate Xal'atath, the Void Elf from the new World of Warcraft expansion, The War Within. So first off, we're going to start off with the base face paint. This is a nice lilac-y colour, and I'm using the brand Snazaroo, and I'm just applying it to my face all over. You want to have a wet sponge to do this. Then I use glue to smooth out my eyebrows. I then use a concealer to make them a similar skin tone colour. And to get those crazy elf eyebrows, I use pipe cleaners with SFX putty to kind of apply them onto my skin. This is tricky, so you can't just skip this part out and just draw on your eyebrows. If you are planning on wearing this for like a party or like an all night thing, I would recommend just drawing them on, as these aren't very stable. But for this look, I thought it looked kind of cool. Next, we're going to apply some more of that purple face paint to really get the skin tone down. I then use like a whitish colour to give it more of that deadly colour that Xal'atath has. I then blend this out with a white powder, and then I go in with some purple eyeshadow just to create some definition and shadowing. I then go in with some purple eyeshadow and begin to create the void looking effect around my eyes. I just use a range of purpley tones to achieve this look. To complete the eyebrow look, I add in the rest of the eyebrow, and then I go in with a purple on the lips. To create the patterns on her face, I use a white eye pencil to line out the shapes on my face, and then I use a dark purpley black to create the markings on my face. Next, I add some more eyeshadow just to make my eyes pop a little bit more. I use a shimmery white on the inner corners of my eye, and then add a nice glittery dark purple to the outer corners. I then add eyeliner and mascara to complete the eye look. And of course, I had to get some contacts for this look, and I also made her headpiece. And here is the final look of Xal'atath, the beautiful Void Elf. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Farewell.